That your kitty real tired. Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he does he kiss ya? He gon' find another girl and he won't miss ya. He gon' skip then hit the dub like Wiz Khalifa.
At dead of night. Oh, nice! Nice game! Who's this then, huh? River's gonna reveal someone. Who is it?
There's a war inside my head. Sometimes I wish that I was dead. I'm broken.
That's a pretty ominous ending.
So I call this.
Craziness is going on here. This thing's heading right for Dodge City. I can't gauge how far the tornado is because I'm focusing on the road, but it might miss town to the west. But I can't tell. There's suction vortices in it, all these satellites. Yeah, we're gonna call that one big tornado. We are heading into Dodge City. This thing's starting to do its big wedgie again. I have to switch cameras first.
What would you do if a tornado was threatening your town right now? The average tornado victim doesn't follow radar apps and forecast tools all day. Rather, they are going about their daily business when tornado warnings are issued. Most people seek shelter, then information, but some take to the streets disoriented, desperate to check on loved ones and property. Others take to the streets to assist, spot, and report, while others try to catch their glimpse of the rare phenomenon occurring. Just west of Dodge City, power is being knocked out as tornadoes snap trees and power lines across the roads. A tractor trailer is being overturned, blocking another highway, while several homes are being destroyed. Drivers' eyes are frantically scanning the storm clouds above for danger, rather than focusing on the streets. I hope this puts in perspective how dangerous it is to chase a tornado through town. EMTs and Good Samaritans are extracting 2 victims from collapsed structures and racing their critical injuries to a hospital. And a local on a motorcycle races to see the tornado, oblivious of the large hail soon to fall. Oblivious to it all, we proceed with caution.
It looks like it's Dodge City. I'm driving through the town, but I don't think it hit anything. Alright, we gotta pounce on this sucker. Let's go get it. I don't know how long this dirt road's gonna allow me to do this, but we're gonna find out. It's a pretty well-maintained gravel road at this point, and that can all end really fast. That looks terrible. Yeah. I'm gonna regret that. Let's just try a little further. Tornadoes doing the tornado dance. Do-si-do. That's the shot. Maybe I'm gonna pull over and stop for this stuff. Stop. Car will stop. It is tornado hell in the world right now. I'm sandwiched between this mess of storm, and I don't like that because look at all of those tornado warnings that could happen at any time. Something could develop right on top of me, so I just kind of want to get out of here at this point. Gotta another powerful tornado developing right next to me. Let's get out of here.
dozen tornadoes, including 2 EF3s and 1 EF2, touched down near Dodge City. No fatalities occurred, and the victims with critical injuries were eventually released. In the trade of marketing storm footage, the first to stop chasing and start selling gets the worm. A lesson I just can't seem to learn. To me, the chump change you might earn is not worth missing a second of the spectacle. Looks like I'll be celebrating with gas station food again tonight. Thanks for watching, friends. Till next time, happy trails.